This video is going to show you how you can fix data, specifically names of hybrids and varieties that were planted in plots this spring. I'm going to show you an example of a field where we forgot to select a hybrid or variety before seeding the strip. So if I go to this field here and zoom into the map that was painted, on the second from the bottom strip you can see that it looks like there's two different colors, the orange and the white. Because we forgot to select a hybrid name for this strip, FieldView automatically defaulted it to unknown or missing hybrid. It also looks like there's the possibility that it was painted over top of one another, but there's an easy way to see how many acres there are of the orange strip, DKTF98CR. To do this, click Home and then click into Analysis. Once you are in Analysis, ensure Planting is selected as well as 2019 canola. When I click on this field, it will break down exactly how many acres I have of each hybrid. Looking at this, then I'm able to easily see that there are only 0.1 acres of DKTF98CR and there's 3 acres of the missing hybrid and variety. This means that most of that hybrid was named missing, and we just need to change the missing name to DKTF98CR, and then we'll have a total of 3.1 acres, which makes sense when you look at the rest of the hybrids and they have 2.9 acres. All of the hybrids will then have a similar amount. To change that unknown and missing hybrid to DKTF98CR, I will need to log on to the web browser, www.climatefieldview.ca. I can do this from my iPad or from a computer, but I would recommend doing it in Google Chrome, as FieldView works better in Google Chrome versus Internet Explorer. You can see here that I've went into Google Chrome on my iPad and logged into my FieldView account at climatefieldview.ca. I'm going to scroll down to the field that we were looking at before, Demo Fixed Data, and just show you what it looks like on the web. So it defaults to whatever last activity was. So now if I go into variety, you can see a similar thing as what we've seen in the cab app. 2 different colors on that strip, the yellow being DKTF98CR and the light purple grayish color being the unknown. So to edit this, I'm going to click on Settings in the top corner and then click Fix Data. This brings me to the page where I'm able to edit and fix data. You'll see here that you have the option to choose between planting and harvest files. Always make sure you're working in the correct season. The other option here you will have is to change the year, so just double check that you're in the correct year. I can then scroll down and check the field that I want to edit the data on, Demo Fix Data. Then I can click the Edit button and it will say Choose Data to Replace. If I wanted to change the crop, I could do that. In this case, I want to change the hybrid. So the original hybrid that I wanted to change is the unknown. And this new hybrid that I want to enter in, it's DKTF98CR. So I can type that out, and then I can hit Replace. It's just warning me that this could take a while, and then I can hit Apply Changes. Will now take a little bit to upload and process. There's another example here of where I forgot to add the rib to my corn hybrid. So I can go to Demo 3, check that box, and then I will have the option to edit that DK3109 to DKC3109 rib. So again, choose the hybrid as the data to replace. Choose the DKC3109 and the new hybrid being DKC3109 rib, and that should pop up right there. Again, I can hit Replace and Apply Changes, and that will edit the name of that hybrid as well. Now, if we go back to our list of fields, we'll be able to see if we can see the edit yet. Depending on the day, this could take up to 24 hours, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't happen instantly. If we zoom in here now, we can see that instead of a yellow and a light purple strip, we have one yellow strip that's all DK TF98CR, and there is no more unknown. Now, if I go back into my Cab app and go back to the home screen and do a cloud sync, I should be able to see that the number of acres of each hybrid, the unknown and the DK98CR, have changed. So I let the cloud sync finish, and then I can go back into analysis. Once in analysis, I can select my field, and now I can see there is no more missing or unknown hybrid, and there is a total of 3.2 acres of DKTF98CR. Now, if I go into the map screen, if everything is all loaded up, I will also be able to see a change in my map. So go into variety, and here again on this screen, you can see there's no more unknown, and there is a full orange painted strip on the map.